That's like more of them. There it goes. No.
Wow! Terry, crazy!
No, I can block it so she can't see her face.
What's she doing, Fang? Hello, beautiful.
No.
She love herself? Terry, you want to sit on top of me?
Ew, you farted!
I farted!
She's got a restless me! I better stop it before anything else happens.
I did it!
Get your own laptop.
These are gonna be so cool. They're also mosquitoes.
Goes back a little farther than that.
I love you.
Yeah, you should fold these on the wood. They fold and they pop.
Patrick, don't make burn marks in that wood, so don't do it.
No, I throw one at a time.
No, make burn marks.
You're in the fireworks,
Terry, please sit down. It's over. Terry, come over here!
Follow me.
What? Terry, come here.
Boy, Patrick's gonna blast her to the moon.
Yeah,
So
what's this one here?
Don't look at me like that.
Howling tiger.
Ah! I invented that trick! No, I'm just kidding. Hi. Hi.
no, you can't do it. You're good at it!
What?
You're good at it.
No, I'm not.
I'm good at it too.
You're better. Not. No, no, no. You're crazy.
Really good. Come on. Okay, good.
Okay, like the next batch already.
It already did.
Yeah.
Because I was
What did you hit me? Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Nothing hit me. Well, that's where I am. I wasn't over here, you would probably get hit by now.
I think they were blowing up a little too soon, a couple of them.
No, I'm luck.
You think you're lucky? Can I press the escape button? No.
No.
Go.
The escape button's right here. The escape button's right here.
They're doing those little snap things.
Hey, Mom.
Snapping those.
Mom, if I wasn't here right now, you'd probably be hit by now.
He said that to me too.
Then we go into.
I'm
He's
luck.
a lucky boy, so that's a good thing.
Are there any pop rocks?
Mom,
Lots more.
I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna put this on Movie Maker and like like make it all one video, upload it to a disc, and then I'm gonna give it to. Who should I give it to?
Me.
We'll
Give it
just
to more.
see, we'll find out, George and Darlene.
How many discs should I make?
Give it to Caitlin. I
Three?
got one.
4. There's 4 families.
4 families here? There's not 4.
Your family?
My family can have it on the laptop,
Yep, okay, so 3.
and I can make it always another time. Plus, I don't have CDs with me right now. I don't have any CDs with me.
Wow, that was
Hey, Mom. How am I gonna burn them on CD? Mom, how am I gonna burn them on CD if I don't have
that
any
looks
with
like
me?
it was gonna hit me.
Wasn't gonna hit you, sweetheart.
It looked like it was going
You're
to.
out another 20 feet.
You're back further.
Hey, Daddy.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you CDs I burned and give them to George.
You're gonna have me in someone else's yard.
Say what?
Move it back another 5 feet.
Move it back another 20 feet.
Thomas says 20 feet.
Yeah, just move it a little more, Georgie.
Maybe 5 or more.
But what's happening too, keep in mind, as he moves that way, they become lower because he's going down the hill. So that's the question.
I'm making a view for my laptop, so yeah. Where's the girls?
Thing to do. Because if it's 5 feet down,
Daddy, where are the
5
girls?
feet back to us this way, and right.
Where are the girls?
Opposed to staying where it's
Mom, where are the girls?
We look girls.
in the air.
So we're here.
No, I just never remember them
Where's the badminton thing?
close.
Next to them.
Yeah, I know, we have a
Well,
package.
they might have been over there more.
What's this?
Patrick, you will put burn marks on it.
Really?
Yeah, I think we got.
Oh, when did that go off?
Just now. Whoa. See, that first one, it stopped and then went up further. That was like awesome.
I didn't actually see it, but okay.
I saw
Oh,
it.
there you are, Rich.
Unless it was my imagination. That's all.
I know. Are we in competition with someone?
I recorded the colored fire.
This one?
When that was colored.
The fire
It's
went out.
awesome.
The color. Oh, the color?
Mom, no, don't.
Little fella there.
Mom,
Jesus,
no.
God, I'm trying to go do something. Please don't do that.
Told you no.
Why can't I get up? I want to do something. Let me do it, please.
I'm stopping you, Thomas.
What? It's not
Nose and that button. Right like that.
click the double click.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, go over and...
You can see them fall, look at it. Look at that. You see that? Look at them, they're falling.